Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Double Ka Meetha with bread. This delightful Indian dessert is surprisingly simple to prepare at home. First, gather your ingredients. 10 to 12 slices of white bread, 1 cup of ghee, 2 cups of full-fat milk, 1 cup of sugar, a quarter cup of mixed nuts, and a pinch of saffron. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those bread slices perfectly golden. Begin by carefully trimming the crusts from each slice. This ensures a uniform texture. Next, heat 1 cup of ghee in a wide, heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat until it shimmers. Fry the bread in small batches, turning them until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides. Finally, drain them on paper towels to remove any excess ghee. While your bread cools, let's create the luscious sweet syrup. In a separate saucepan, combine 2 cups of full-fat milk with 1 cup of sugar. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves. Now, add a fragrant pinch of saffron strands for a lovely aroma and color. Let the syrup simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until it slightly thickens, then remove it from the heat. With your fried bread and sweet syrup ready, it's time for the grand assembly. Arrange the golden brown bread slices in a single layer at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Carefully pour the warm milk syrup evenly over all the bread, ensuring every piece is thoroughly soaked. Allow the dish to rest for at least 30 minutes so the bread can fully absorb the delicious syrup. Garnish generously with a quarter cup of your favorite chopped nuts, like almonds or pistachios, and serve warm or chilled. Enjoy this rich, traditional treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.